Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use new Instagram profile picture flip. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile. Here you need to click on avatar and click on create avatar. So if you want to use new avatar, click on create, and if you want to sync, click on sync avatar. So I want to create new avatar, click on that option, and here you can select the skin tone. So I'm going to select this one for example. So let me select this one, click on next. Here you can select the hairstyle. Okay, then you need to click on next again. Here you can select the hair color. So let me select the black one. So it will take few seconds to complete this. So after that you simply need to click on next again, and here you can select the face shape, and after that you need to select the different things, outfit. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, click on done and click on save changes. So it will take few seconds to update my avatar. Then you need to click on next again and click on go to stickers, and here you can see your avatar stickers. Then you need to simply click on cross and click on edit picture or avatar, click on add to profile picture. Okay, here you can see that. Then you need to click on this, and here you can see this option is now turned on. Then you simply need to click on the tick mark. Here you can see that you simply need to flip, and here you can see your avatar as your profile picture, and if you want to flip again you simply need to do that. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.